Yes, hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to logic and set theory. First, you will need to know the logic symbols used in this course unit. You will need to know the symbols used, the logical symbols. They are there. Look at them, understand, and we apply them. First, we shall start with the truth tables. And our first table is the negation table. The negation for P is not P. For true is false. For false is true. Our next table is the conjunction table, which helps us to use the AND logical symbol. And take a scenario where you are required to have two items for you uh, to to be allowed to participate in something, say an examination. You say let's P stand for any school ID, then Q to stand for examination card. So when you have the school ID T, when it is true you have school ID and you also have examination card, it is true you will do the exam. When you have the ID, then you don't have examination card, you will not sit for exam. False. When you don't have the school ID but you have the examination card, you will not sit for exam. False. When you don't have neither the school ID nor the examination card, you will not sit for exams. We move to disconjunction. Disconjunction allows us to study the use of the or logical symbol. So you take a scenario where you are required to have either of two items for you to do something. You say you want to write, and there you will need either a pencil or a pen. Let P stand for a pen, then Q to stand for a pencil. When you have a pen and, and a pencil, it means it is true you can write. Then when you have a pen but you don't have a pencil, it is also true you can write. When you don't have a pen but you have a pencil, it is true you can write. When you don't have a pen and you don't have a pencil, it is false, you will not write. We move to the implication. Implication enables us to use the logical symbol implies. We shall there take a scenario of a person being rich. So, true, when it is true that when you are rich, you can still maintain the richness. You can maintain it. That is true. But it is not acceptable for you to come from being rich true to going back to false. The society will laugh at you. So that is false. It is acceptable in the community for you to be poor and go to rich. No one will laugh at you. That is true. It is also possible for someone to be poor, false, and also is contented with his poverty, false. That is also true in society. We move to our last table, which is the by implication table. Implication is showing there is similarity in P and Q. P, we see we need to have what similarity in P and Q. It is true this side on P and also true this side. It is true there is some similarity, but this side is true on P but Q is false, so this side is false. There is no similarity. So here also there is false, then true there is false because there is no similarity. But false, there is similarity in P and Q. And that brings us to the end of our first video. In the next video, we shall look at application of truth tables and more examples concerning this.